Welcome gang, what's the time? It's unboxing time. Yeah, another stinking unboxing. What's in the parcel today? I wonder. If you checked out my last couple of videos, you'll probably know I've been waiting for something to come from this mob that I know called Banggood. So I'm hoping this is going to be it. Get rid of that. Banggood.com, link in the description. Check it out. This should be the Funky Duty SG106. You ripper! Check that out. So this is the new dual camera SG. I'm hoping it's white. I did order a white one, so we'll check it out and see what's inside. So the box is, yeah, that big. Whatever that big is, it's that big. Optical flow positioning, little funky remote. I'll quickly run over these things here before I rip inside her. So, follow me mode. We all know about that. Gesture mode. Hello, goodbye, leave, all that stuff. Gesture control, gesture photo, so that's where you put your fingers up and it takes a photo. Gesture recording, I never use any of that, but I'll certainly see if it works. Wi-Fi connection, obviously. You need a smartphone. It's got altitude hold, one key taking off, one key landing, and auto home. That'll be interesting. The SG106. Dual cameras, a camera facing down and a camera facing forward. Okay, ages 14 plus. It says 22 minutes, long standby. I shall be testing that as well. Where's my knife? Okay, let's have a look inside. See what she looks like. This took a couple of weeks to get here, so I'm pretty happy it's arrived finally, so I can get her up in the sky and see what's going on. Instruction booklet. Have a quick read of that. No worries. English, Chinese, all your standard stuff. Yeah. I might read that before I fly it. Like, yeah, right. Yeah, a little bit of foam. And that's what we're presented with.
Inside the packaging. Yeah, excuse me for thumbnail photo. Hey, smells like an Eachine. Pop her out. Oh, I hate that noise. Pop her out, pop them out, and pop them out. And that's all there is there. So, we have some prop guards, the normal prop guard thingies. Yeah, however they work. Sorry? We have some legs. Oh, that's new. I didn't think we had
legs on the SG, but we do have some legs. Okay. Prop guards which I won't worry about, however, the legs which I will. So I'll put them on in a minute. Let's make some room for ourselves. Okay, there's a battery in it, and there's a battery spare. So yeah, I've got two batteries. Okay, this is yeah, standard proprietary battery. Charge it with
micro USB.
But yeah, it comes with your micro USB charger. So this old person eyes. Yeah, so yeah, standard charger, micro USB, gold. Two batteries, USB charger, 2, 3, 4 spare props, so 2 on each side. Underneath, yeah, your silver cap, you'll find a screw, little Phillips head, and that will allow you to remove the prop and put on your plastic cap. I'm not too sure why that's not on there. I shall investigate though. Props look pretty cool. Look a bit DJI, the writing on them and the little line on the end. Okay, before we get to the ins and outs of that unit, the remote controller. So this is pretty similar to the idea that I reviewed a little while ago. So it comes with your standard antennas, which I believe aren't actually antennas. They look a bit more substantial than antennas of the past. Actually look like they might do something, but I'm willing to put money on they don't do anything. Standard controls, I'll buzz through those when I take her for a flight, but it actually tells you some gear on here, which is good. So speed, return to home, 3D roll, and headless mode. And your standard left-right coverage. We've got a stop here. Looks like takeoff, landing, video, and photo. So that's cool they've included pictures on all these buttons, because I always forget. And your normal pull-out bottom for your mobile phones. That's good. So the drone itself, how does it feel? It feels like a pretty light, cheapish type thing. It does look pretty cool. If you see the camera, it's got a camera on the front and a camera on the bottom. I'm going to have some specs up on the screen for you. I'm going to rattle them off here. I believe this is a, I don't think it's a 1080. Oh, I should have looked before I started. Yeah, it is. We've got 1080 dotted here, so this should be a 1080 wide angle camera. So that'll be interesting to see if it actually records in 1080. Little landing feet, plasticky, not rubbery. On-off button on top. So you've got a little camera down the bottom here, and you've got your camera at the top here. And it actually says HD camera written on it. And something unusually different, but a little aerial sticking out the bottom. So that's a cool little touch. Normally they're all embedded inside the body. Let's whack these legs on, these landing feet.
So I think we stick that one there, and that one there. And we stick that one there, and that one there. Oh, that's quite solid. Yeah.
Hey, that's cool, guys. She looks pretty neat. You know I'm hanging a fly this, don't you? Look out, trees, here I come. So, turn them on. Groovy. Okay, well, I think I better explore the app. I better charge up the batteries. And I better learn about the remote. And I better go fly. Good stuff. Adios, amigos. So I couldn't resist, I'm just going to give you guys a listen to the Moto 2 before I do a full-on video. The app's called, the app's called Fun Share, so pretty funky. Just submit it. Okay, remote control, just quickly, you probably see there's no on-off button. It actually turns itself off when you pull the legs in, so when you pull these extenders out, it turns itself on. And I imagine to pair it up and down. Oh, I'll just leave my phone there. As you can see, the picture quality is actually pretty cool. It actually looks like 1080. Okay, so I've got a takeoff button here. Flight mode, you push flight mode and it will allow you to switch between using the remote or using the mobile device. So I'll go to master mode. So from here I should be able to lift her up and have a listen. Okay. Right, they're all spinning. Alright. Hopefully it's going to fly. Quick flight. SG106. See you in the sky.